So guys, if you're facing that annoying server disconnected, connection to the Blizzard game server is lost message while playing Call of Duty Warzone, don't worry. Follow these steps and we'll get it fixed. For the first step, head over to your Windows search bar and type in View Network Connections. Click on it, and once you're in, look for the network adapter that you're using. It could be Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Double-click on it, then click on Properties. Now find and click on Internet Protocol version 4, TCP/IPv4. Then, click on Properties again. Here, select the option that says Use the following DNS server addresses. Set the preferred DNS server to 1.1.1.1. Set the alternate DNS server to 1.0.0.1. Then click OK and close everything. Now for the second step, go back to the search bar and type in CMD. Right-click on Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. Now, inside the command prompt, type this command: netshnt IP reset. Hit Enter. Next, type IP protocol configuration /flushtons and hit Enter again. Finally, type netsh winsock reset and hit Enter one last time. For the final step, go ahead and restart your computer. After that, launch Warzone again and check if the connection issue is resolved. This fix resets your network settings and flushes out any DNS or winsock errors that could be blocking your connection to Blizzard servers. Let me know in the comments if this helped you out, and if it did, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy gaming fixes and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.